Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. I just completed one of my Minnie Mouse gift boxes for the holiday. In this gift, I have a 19-inch plush Minnie. I have a light up Frisbee, a bubble flying disc, a swim raft, water goggles, a splash pumper, a Minnie Mouse coloring book, Minnie Mouse tissue, Minnie Mouse mold and play 3D figure maker, a Minnie Mouse cup here in the front, colored pencils, a Minnie Mouse punch balloon, Minnie Mouse puzzle, Minnie Mouse velvet poster sheets. I have bubble solution, a pencil bag, a pizza dive game, crayons, and an apron. All right, guys. I hope you all like this gift. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.